If you're struggling with money and you find that you're not earning what you want or you're spending more than what is coming in, I'm going to share one really simple tip that is going to make a dramatic difference. I coach both writers and creative professionals, and I have found this one simple technique has massively transformed the way that they are earning and the way that they are spending. And also, if you're new here, then think about subscribing so that you can stay creative, stay fulfilled, and get wealthy. So this one simple technique is to get really clear on the way that you feel about money. So it might be that you're thinking about money in a certain way. You might be thinking that you want more, or you might be thinking that you want to have a career that brings a lot of money in. But what's really important is to start to tune in to the way that you are feeling about money. So you're coming into the body, you're coming into those sensations. So why am I asking you to do this? It's because the way we feel about something is going to activate our unconscious survival instinct. So just take a moment now to just brush those thoughts about money aside and to just tune into what you feel. And what I really would love to invite you to do is to commit to that. And so drop in the comments below, what feelings do you have towards money? So often we find that there might be a feeling of fear. So it might be that we are afraid when it comes to money. We're afraid of when that next amount of money is going to come in, or we're afraid of running out of money. Or we have a feeling of anxiety towards money. We're anxious about the amount of money that's in our bank account. And so this very feeling is going to activate your survival instinct. And so unconsciously, you're going to be wanting to avoid money, this thing that you are afraid of. And this just comes back to our basic evolutionary core instinct of survival, which is to want to avoid anything that we have fears towards, or to want to essentially get away from anything that we have fears towards. So what you're doing with these feelings is you're making money the equivalent of that saber-toothed tiger. So often that explains why you're spending money really, really quickly, because you're afraid of it, you want to get rid of it. Or why you're not finding yourself in a position that you're able to earn more money, because you're basically running away from opportunities for money to come into your life. So even if you're thinking that you want to take on freelance work that's really going to cover that mortgage, that's really going to enable you to take trips, you're actually feeling a deep fear towards money. So you're actively running away from any opportunity that's going to bring that money in, because your body, your unconscious thoughts are saying, money is a threat to my survival. Money has become that saber-toothed tiger. So firstly, getting really in tune to the way that you're feeling about money, whether it's fearful, whether it's anxious, whether there's any kind of negative feeling that you've associated with money. And then starting to really begin to shift that feeling. So then you want to start to bring in feelings of excitement. You want to start to bring in feelings of joy, like feelings of real gratitude and happiness around the idea of money coming into your life. And that way you're beginning to reprogram your relationship with money. You're beginning to show your mind that money is actually something that you want. Money is something that is safe. And so you're going to find, therefore, that your habits start to transform. So as I said, pop in the comments below, what are your feelings towards money currently? And that way you're going to really see the truth, and you're really going to realize why you're having this relationship with money, why there might be struggles, why there's not enough money coming into your life, or why you're spending it way too quickly. You're spending it too quickly in a way that you really don't want to. And if you want more of this, if you want more of this mindset towards how you can shift your relationship to money, how you can shift your relationship towards achieving your creative potential, then here's my invitation to you. Come join us in my Facebook community. We're a committed group of writers, creative professionals, all striving towards our dreams. We would love to have you come join us. Hope you found this video useful around money, really hoping that you get to transform that relationship earn the money that you want, and spend the money in exactly the way you want to be spending it. I'll see you next Monday on the sofa. Take care till then.